What is up, guys? Don't worry about my hair. It's a mess, I know. So today I'm going to show you how to do the Lamborghini noise. I had a different video planned for today. I was trying to get the Thunderbird running, but I ran out of time. So the Lamborghini is, after thinking about it, it's 3 basic sounds that you have to make. There's the kind of engine hum, the actual like combustion pop, and then because of how they're made, it kind of naturally has a sort of muffler kind of thing. So we'll start with the first sound, and probably the easiest sound. It's just your voice. So if you just start with that's basically the most basic noise. So you're just doing that while you're making these other 2 sounds. All you're doing is and that's the basic sound. And I've found that that's kind of true for a lot of them. So keep that in mind. And if you can't do that, just practice. I feel like that's something everyone should be able to do pretty easily. Just humming, just that is the basic noise. Just keep doing that if you want. Okay, the second noise. The second noise is right behind your front teeth. So grab my light here. It's kind of bright. If you put your tongue right behind your front teeth, and then as you blow through, that's all you're doing. So along with the first noise, you're gonna get a, and that's most of the noise. You really want to play. I would suggest that you play with this first before moving on to the third thing. Just kind of try to rev a little bit, I guess. Just try that first. And after a while, you want to go from having your mouth open, doing that, try do it with your teeth clenched. So that's basically the noise that you have to make anyway. But the third thing that you have to do is muffle it a little bit. All you have to do is put your lips together, and not tightly, just moderately tight, I guess. So as you're doing that, and just kind of let it flow through your lips, and then the whole thing together is just one tip that I can give you is if you can see, if you can move your throat like that, that's gonna help a lot. If you can like easily move. That sounds weird, but if you can easily do that, that's gonna help a lot with RPM change and making it sound better. Because from watching a lot of Lamborghini videos, you can kind of tell it kind of has a throaty, like trumpet sound, if that makes any sense at all. So what you're gonna do is and all that does is it just kind of makes it sound more realistic to me, I think. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, or if you can't. That's not a big deal, I don't think. Last but not least, I'll give you a real quick thing right here. If you want to learn how to do startups, they're pretty easy, I think. Like old big blocks and stuff, or like diesels, are kind of slow starting. So those ones, you start with a T, you just as kind of the engagement sound. So and you kind of just do a if you can do that, if that makes sense. So you just kind of make like a high-pitched whining sound that kind of alternates up and down. So that's like an older thing. But if you want to do the quick cranking, like a Lamborghini would have, it'd be more like a. So what you want to do is kind of the same as the second noise. So put your tongue right behind your front teeth, and just first of all you make the T, and then you do same thing as just right behind your front teeth, but you'd make a higher pitched noise in your throat with your voice. So, and that kind of sounds more like a quick cranking. And then after all that, really all it is just practice. I've literally been doing this since I was like 6, so I'm not saying you can't get as good as me. It's very possible you could even surpass me. I don't know, a lot of people are very talented, so all you just really practice with it every day. I do it while I walk everywhere. I pretend I'm driving stuff all the time. Just practice. That's all I can say, really. All right, guys. Hopefully I explained that well enough for you guys to understand. If you have any questions or you want tips, just ask in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm trying to post videos often. Got sidetracked yesterday. I was working on this car here. I was doing a motor swap, so sometimes I'll miss a day here and there, but I don't think it'll be too bad. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment if you have any questions. Anyway, just remember, guys, have a good day. Go impress your friends.